It's time to clean that bottom well and leave no itchy poo or smell. Front to back, that's what we do to wipe away all the poo. The paper is all brown with poo. Grab a little more. Toss this in the loo. Another wipe and now it's clear. Bunny made the poo disappear. We're all done and flush time's here. Let's pull the handle, give a spin and cheer. Flushing the loo will get the job done. Having a spin is just for some fun. Good job! Your help's been ace. Bunny's now clean with a smile on their face.